Far from Jogja, I found a comfortable place. Although it's cheap, the service is good. The room is comfortable, it's cool for a staycation. Cheap but satisfying. Recommended accommodation in Bengkulu. The place is clean and nice, the staff is also friendly, overall it's great. Clean hotel. Located in a special location. Friendly staff. And nice for relaxing. I really like that the place is clean. The staff are friendly. The room is clean and comfortable, the staff service is friendly, the facilities are well maintained, the location is strategic, the check-in process is easy. Affordable booking with Bang Jemmy Go 085268269398. Recommended. Great, the cleanliness is excellent and the staff are friendly. I have stayed at Cordela 4 times. Okay, I have stayed at Cordela Inn Bengkulu 3 times. The quality is okay, a suggestion to cover breakfast for every guest who stays if possible. The staff is recommended for their fast response. The food is delicious, cleanliness is good, facilities are good. This is the second time staying here. The hotel is comfortable, the staff is friendly, and the facilities are good. In short, highly recommended. Good. Hashtag clean place, hashtag strategic, hashtag spacious parking, hashtag decent breakfast.